In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your files into the right place so your team can find and use them. Start by opening Confluence in your browser and signing in with your usual credentials. Confluence organizes content into spaces, which are like folders for teams or projects, and pages, which hold the actual content. We'll navigate through those to reach the page where your document will live. From the Confluence home screen, click Spaces in the navigation. This shows you the list of available spaces you can access. If your organization has a lot of them, use the search or browse your favorites to get there faster. Make sure you have permission to edit in the space you choose. If you don't, you won't be able to add files. Next, choose the specific space where your document belongs. Think about where teammates would naturally look for this file. Keeping documents in the right space helps with discoverability and access control. Once you're in the space, you'll see its overview and a list of pages. Now open the page you want to use. Attachments in Confluence are stored with the page you add them to, so pick a page that provides context for the file, like a project brief, a meeting notes page, or a central documents hub. If the page is part of a larger hierarchy, double check you're on the correct one to keep things organized. With the page open, it's time to upload. Simply drag the file from your computer and drop it onto the page. You'll see an indicator showing that the upload has started, followed by a file card, thumbnail, or link once it's complete. You can drag multiple files at once, and Confluence supports common formats like PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images, and more. For best results, use clear, meaningful file names and avoid special characters so links and references remain stable. After the upload finishes, the file is now attached to this page. You can click the attachment to preview it, rename the visible label if needed, or add a short caption for context. If your organization tracks versions, uploading a file with the same name will create a new version while preserving the history, making it easy to roll back if necessary. If you're editing the page content, just ensure your changes are saved before you navigate away so teammates see the updates. That's it. Open Confluence, go to Spaces, choose the right space, open the page, and drag your file onto it. You've uploaded your document in Confluence right where your team needs it.